Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to draw Mahesh Babu. There are 5 steps to be followed to draw this picture. They are Step 1. Drawing the grids. Step 2. Drawing outline. Step 3. Drawing the inside part of the face. Step 4. Completing each grid, and the last step is blending. So let us start with the first step, that is drawing the grids. Take a very light pencil, that is 2H or 3H, to draw the grids. You can choose any size and any number of rows and columns. I choose 8 rows and 6 columns. To draw grids on image, install the app Artist Grid. So let me speed up. And the first step is completed. So let us start with the second step, that is drawing outline. Now we have drawn the grids, it is easy for us to draw the outline of the face. Again, take a 2H pencil. Let us start drawing the outline from the bottom left. Observe each and every grid and draw accordingly the outline. Next is little right side to this line. So make a point, and here is little above this line. So make a point, and it is touching this line at this point, so mark a point, and it is little below this line, so mark a point and join these points. We see that the hair starts from this point and it touches this line at this point, and this touches this line. We see that the hair ends at this point. And similarly repeat the same process. We see that the jaw is touching this line and join these points. Repeat the same process to complete the outline. After repeating the same process, we are completed with the step 2, that is outline of the face. So let us start with the step 3, drawing inside part of face. Take a very light pencil, 2H, and we see that the left eye starts from this point and ends at this point, and it is touching this line. So let us join these points to draw the left eye. And the left eyebrow starts at this point and touches this line at these 2 points, so join them. Similarly, right eye starts from this point and ends at this point, and it is touching this line, so join these lines. And the right eyebrow starts from this point and ends at this point, so join them. We see that the nose starts from this point and touches this line at this point and ends up to here, so join these points. We see that mouth starts from this point and ends here, so join these points. So the step 3 is completed. So let us start step 4, completing each grid. So far we have drawn the outline of the portrait. So now first thing to do is erase the grids. This is the important step and you must be very careful while drawing. Let us start with the eyes. Observe the eyes carefully in the reference image. We see that eyeball is the darkest portion in the image. So take a very dark pencil 5B and draw the eyeballs. Now take a 2B pencil and draw this portion. Repeat the same process for another eye. Now drawing the eyebrows. Take a 2B pencil and a HB pencil and draw each hair from bottom to top and right to left. You can see how I am drawing. The same method applies for another eyebrow also. Now drawing beard and moustache. Before you start drawing, take a light pencil HB and shade the region and blend it. This is a bit complicated task, so be patient while drawing. Use a sharpened HB pencil and 2B pencil and draw the hair from left to right and bottom to left. Use HB for lighter areas and 2B for darker areas. Now drawing the hair. Take a 5B pencil and shade the darkest areas. Now take a 3B pencil and draw each hair from right to left. Let us start with the final step. If you don't have blending stumps, you can use cotton buds. First observe the reference image and shade the lightest areas with 2H pencil and use different pencils for different shades.